Welcome to my channel Kamal Competitions to all the UPSC, HPSC and SSC aspirants. Today we'll tell you regarding the current affairs. My first question is, which of the following lines regarding saving of trees is correct? 1. On March 26, 1924, the workers of contracts reached at Rainy village of UP, now Uttarakhand, to fell the trees. Next, B. Since no male person was present in the village at that time, the women led by Gauri Devi ran 5 kilometers and embraced the trees which were being felled by the workers as the trees were saved. C. A similar green belt movement was launched in Kenya, Africa in 1977, led by Wangari Maathai. D. A similar movement in India, the Epico movement, the Epico movement, was also launched in 1983 on the lines of Chico movement. E. Chico movements had also launched a movement to save Amazon forests in 1970-80 in South America. F. A similar movement, Standing Rock protest, was started in 2016 when the tribal people launched a similar movement to preserve water on the earth. Fridays for Future was launched in 2018 when students led by Greta Thunberg launched a movement against climate change in the USA. H. All the above lines are correct. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding the Eden Garden Stadium is correct? A. The Eden Garden Stadium falls in Kolkata, West Bengal. B. It was built in 1864. C. The stadium lies between Babughat and Fort William. D. The 2023 World Cricket Cup match between India and South Africa was also held here in November 2023. E. All the above lines are correct. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding World Hindi Day is correct? A. January 10 is observed as the World Hindi Day every year. B. The day was started in the year 2006. C. The credit of starting this day, ordering the day as the World Hindi Day, goes to Dr. Manmohan Singh, the then Prime Minister of India. D. All the above lines are correct. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding Indian Constitution is correct? A. It contains 395 articles and 8 schedules. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the chairman of the Constitutional Assembly. C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee, hence he is called the architect of the Indian Constitution. C. The Hindi version of the Constitution was written by Vasant Kumar Vaid, and the English version was written by Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. F. It was formally adopted on November 26, 1949 by the Constitutional Assembly. Hence, this day is called the Constitution Day. The Constitution was implemented on January 26, 1950, our Republic Day. H. All the above lines are correct. Next question. The Booker's Prize was started in which of the following years? A. 1966, B. 1967, C. 1968, D. 1969. The correct answer is 1969. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding Grammy Awards is correct? A. The award is given to a best audiobook, narration, storytelling, etc. B. The award is held every year in the USA. C. The 68th Grammy Award were given to in Los Angeles, in which the Tibetan religious preacher Dalai Lama was given the award for the first time. D. All the above lines are correct. Next question. The first budget of independent India, I mean after August 15, 1947, was submitted, proposed by which of the following finance ministers? A. Zohan Mathali, B. T.T. Krishnamachari, C. Moraji Desai, D. R.K. Shanmugam Chetty. The correct answer is D. He was R.K. Shanmugam Chetty who proposed the first budget of India after independence. Next question. The World Television Day is declared by the UNO. Is observed on which of the following dates? I repeat the question. The World Television Day declared by the UNO is observed on which of the following dates? A. November 24, B. November 23, C. November 26, 22, and D. November 21. The correct answer is November 21. It means the World Television Day is observed on November 21. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding saving we have also read? Done. Which of the following lines regarding Oliver Ridley turtles is correct? A. The Olive Ridley turtles are classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. B. These are mostly found on the shores of Andaman Islands. C. There are also lie the protected areas, Blackmay Sands of Cuthbert Bay. D. India started the conservation of Oliver Ridley turtles with the Olive Italy Conservation Project at Gaulimatha Beach in Odisha in 1975. E. All the above lines are correct. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding delimitation exercise is correct? I repeat the question. Which of the following lines regarding delimitation exercise is correct? A. It is the process of redrawing boundaries of territorial constituencies and fixing the number of seats for legislative bodies. B. Article 82 empowers the Parliament to pass a law to provide for a delimitation commission to be established by the union government after every census. C. It is a high-powered independent body whose decisions are final and binding and cannot be challenged in a court of law. D. Its orders come into force on the date of specified by the President. E. All the above lines are correct. Next question is, which of the following is a member of delimitation commission? A. A sitting or retired judge of the Supreme Court as head. B. Chief Election Commissioner of India or an election commissioner nominated by the Chief Election Commissioner as member. C. State Union Territory Election Commissioners as the second member. D. 5 Lok Sabha MPs nominated by the Speaker of Lok Sabha as associate members. E. 5 MLAs, member of legislative assemblies, nominated by the Speaker of the State Legislation Assembly as associate members to assist the Commission. F. All the above are members of the Delimitation Commission. The correct answer is F. All the above are the members of the Delimitation Commission. Next question. The highest administrative board of World Football Cup is called. I repeat the question. The highest administrative board of World Football Cup is called International Football Federation. B. International Football League. C. International Football Association. D. FIFA. The correct answer is D. It is called FIFA. The next question is the Metalli Commission Stadium, the venue for the 2026 FIFA Football Cup Final, falls in which of the following cities? I repeat the question. The Metalli Stadium, the venue for the 2026 Football Cup Final, falls in which of the following cities? A. New York. B. Washington DC. C. Dallas. D. New Jersey. The correct answer is D. New Jersey. Next question. The book What is History 1961 was authored by which of the following authors? A. B.H. Carr. B. C.H. Carr. C. D.H. Carr. And D. E.H. Carr. The correct answer is D. E.H. Carr. Next question. Rishabh Sharma, who was recently in the news, is famous. Is a famous. I repeat the question. Rishiram Sharma, who was recently in the news, is a famous blank. A. Tabla player. B. Shehnai player. D. Thumbe player. D. Sitarist. The correct answer is D. He is a famous sitarist. Next question. The book, the female playbook back in Bombay cinema, Wires Body Technology, was authored by which of the following authors? I repeat the question. The book, the female playback in Bombay cinema, dash Wires Body Technology, was authored by which of the following authors? Authors are A. Meena Jingan, B. Sinha Jingan, D. Disha Jingan, D. Shikha Jingan. The correct answer is D. Shikha Jingan. Next question. The book Good Day Nagar was authored by which of the following authors? I repeat the question. The book Good Day Nagar was authored by which of the following authors? Hinna Kamra, Veena Kamur, Sinha Kamur, D. Maitreyi Kamur. The correct answer is Maitreyi Kamur. Next question. Next question is the book My Dead Flowers was authored by which of the following authors? Ruku Sarkar, B. Suku Sarkar, C. Tuku Sarkar, D. Buku Sarkar. The correct answer is D. Buku Sarkar. Next question. The book Tender Tales of Lime Lines was authored by which of the following authors? I repeat the question. The book Tender Tales of Lime Lines was authored by which of the following authors? Disha Kumar, B. Hinna Kumar, C. Jena Kumar, D. Ritu Kamra Kumar. The correct answer is Ritu Kamra Kumar. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day. Let us meet for a video for tomorrow.